Imagine earning money from your designs without worrying about inventory, shipping, or large upfront costs. That's exactly what Print-on-Demand Pod offers. A low-risk way to sell custom products without handling stock. What is print-on-demand? POD is a business model where products are made only after a customer orders them. Instead of producing in bulk, a third-party supplier prints and ships items like t-shirts, mugs, phone cases, and posters on demand. This eliminates the need for storage and reduces financial risk. How does Pod work? Create your design graphics, slogans, or artwork. Upload to a Pod platform. Use platforms like Printful, Redbubble, or Teespring to apply designs to products. Set your price. Decide your profit margin while the platform covers production costs. Customer orders the Pod. Service prints and ships the product directly to the buyer. You get paid, you earn a profit without handling the product yourself. Why is Pod so popular? No upfront investment, no need to buy stock. Low risk, no unsold inventory or storage costs. Easy scaling, sell to a global audience without handling logistics. Hands-free fulfillment. The supplier prints, packs, and ships your products. Higher product costs. Printing per order costs more than bulk production. Competition. Many sellers make it harder to stand out. Limited branding, packaging, and customization depend on the supplier. How to succeed in Pod. Find a niche, target a specific audience, like pet lovers or gamers. Create unique designs, high quality. Original artwork attracts buyers. Sell on multiple platforms. Use Etsy, Amazon, or your own website. Leverage social media. Promote your designs on Instagram, TikTok, and Pinterest. Offer limited editions. Scarcity can boost demand. Is print-on-demand worth it? Yes, if you're creative and willing to market your products. POD can be a profitable side hustle or full-time business. Some sellers make thousands per month just by selling designs online. So if you've ever wanted to start a business without major risks,